Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a device that has genuinely surprised me in the best way possible. If you're a student heading back to campus, a creative professional who needs a canvas on the go, or a business executive who lives out of a suitcase and needs reliable power, you know the exact struggle I'm talking about. Finding a laptop that strikes the perfect balance between raw desktop-level performance, stunning cinematic visuals, and ultra portability feels almost like searching for a unicorn, but I think I might have just found it. Let me formally introduce you to the Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC. I know, that is quite a mouthful of a name, but trust me, every single word in that title translates to a premium feature that is going to make your daily workflow so much smoother. Now, before we get too deep into the weeds with the technical specs and my personal real-world experience using this machine, I want to quickly remind you that if you want to check the current pricing or pick one of these up for yourself, I have left a direct Amazon link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel, and it ensures you are getting the absolute best deal available today. So, let's get right into it. Let us kick things off by talking about the design and the build quality, because first impressions are everything. When you pull this laptop out of your bag at a local coffee shop or set it down in a corporate boardroom, it immediately commands attention. It comes in this incredibly sleek, professional gray finish that doesn't just look highly premium, it feels highly premium to the touch. But the absolute craziest thing about this computer is its physical footprint. This is a 16-inch laptop. Historically, if you wanted a massive 16-inch screen, you essentially had to resign yourself to carrying a heavy, cumbersome brick that would strain your shoulders by the end of the day. Samsung has completely shattered that expectation here. This machine weighs a mere 3.7 pounds and is astonishingly thin at just half an inch thick. To pack a 16-inch display and high-end internals in a chassis this incredibly thin and light is a genuine engineering marvel. It slides into literally any backpack or messenger bag with zero effort. And of course, as the 360 in the name implies, this is a versatile 2-in-1 convertible. The hinge mechanism is an absolute joy to use. It's stiff enough to hold the screen perfectly still when you're typing aggressively on the backlit keyboard, but it's smooth enough to effortlessly fold all the way back. You can use it as a traditional clamshell laptop, prop it up in tent mode, which is absolutely perfect for watching movies on an airplane tray table, or fold it completely flat to use as a massive handheld tablet. The sheer versatility here is just off the charts. Now, you simply cannot talk about a Samsung device without spending a good amount of time raving about the display. Samsung is the undisputed global king of screen technology, and they absolutely did not hold back on this model. You're staring at a gorgeous 16-inch 3K AMOLED touchscreen. For the spec nerds out there, that's a wildly crisp resolution of 2880 by 1800. But what does that actually mean for you in the real world? It means the text on your business documents is going to look razor sharp, the colors in your graphic design projects are going to pop with vibrant intensity, and the true, deep, inky blacks that only an AMOLED panel can provide will make watching Netflix a true cinematic experience. Furthermore, this screen has a blazing fast 120 Hz refresh rate. If you're currently upgrading from an older 60 Hz laptop, this feature alone is going to completely blow your mind. Every single time you scroll through a web page, move your mouse cursor, or swipe through your application, working outside at a park or sitting near a bright office window, do not stress at all. Samsung included a highly effective anti-glare coating, and the screen bezels are exceptionally thin, maximizing your viewing area so you can stay fully immersed in your work. But an amazing screen needs amazing sound to match, right? Samsung partnered with the audio experts to tune the quad speaker setup on this laptop with Dolby Atmos. I was genuinely shocked by the audio quality here. Laptops this incredibly thin usually suffer from terrible tinny speakers, but these quad speakers push out incredibly clear highs, rich mids, and a surprising amount of punchy bass. Whether you are blasting a Spotify playlist in your dorm room or trying to hear every single word in a crowded Zoom meeting, the high-definition audio output is simply top tier. Speaking of the screen, we have to talk about how you actually interact with it. Sure, you can just use your fingers to tap and swipe, but Samsung actually includes their legendary S Pen right inside the box. This is a massive win for the consumer. So many other tech companies charge you an extra $100 or more for their proprietary stylus, but here, it is just part of the package. The S Pen requires absolutely no charging, and when you fold this laptop back into tablet mode, it transforms the device into the ultimate digital notebook. If you are a university student taking complex calculus notes or a professional artist sketching out a new logo design, the incredible pressure sensitivity and complete lack of latency make it feel exactly like writing with a real pen on a piece of physical paper. It is virtually flawless. But a beautiful screen and a fantastic pen do not mean anything if the computer itself is slow and sluggish. Thankfully, under the hood, this thing is an absolute processing powerhouse. Remember how I mentioned in the beginning that it's a Copilot PC? That means it is heavily optimized from the ground up for the brand new era of artificial intelligence. It's running on the cutting-edge Intel Core 7 Ultra processor, which features a dedicated NPU, or neural processing unit. This means the laptop can actually handle heavy AI tasks locally, right on the machine, without needing to connect to the cloud, saving you precious time and preserving your battery life. Paired seamlessly with that next-generation processor, you get 16 gigabytes of blazing fast LPDDR5 RAM, clocked at a massive 8,533 megahertz. You can realistically have 50 Google Chrome tabs open, stream a 4K video, and run massive Microsoft Excel spreadsheets all at the exact same time, and the system will not even stutter. For your storage needs, you have a massive 1 terabyte PCIe solid-state drive, meaning your heavy applications will open almost instantly, and you have tons of room for all your 4K video files, software, and photos. The graphical heavy lifting is handled by the integrated Intel Arc 140V GPU with 8 gigabytes of shared RAM, which is surprisingly powerful and more than capable of handling heavy photo editing, 4K video rendering, and even some casual gaming when you're finally off the clock. Let's quickly pivot to connectivity. A lot of modern ultra-thin laptops force you to live the dreaded dongle life because they bravely remove all the useful ports. Not the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. You're getting an array of 5 highly useful ports, 2 lightning-fast Thunderbolt 4 ports for ultra-fast charging and rapid data transfer, a standard USB 3.2 Gen 2 port for your legacy flash drives and mice, a full-sized HDMI video output so you can easily connect to a boardroom projector or your home TV without a single adapter, a micro SD card slot for transferring camera footage, and a standard 3.5mm
drop their signal. Security is handled seamlessly and safely with a biometric fingerprint scanner built right in, and you will consistently look highly professional on all your video calls thanks to the crisp 2-megapixel front-facing camera. Finally, we have to touch on battery life. With that Intel Core Ultra processor managing power so incredibly efficiently, Samsung promises all-day battery life. You can realistically leave your house in the morning, power through a full day of heavy meetings or college classes, and come back home without ever needing to panic and look for a wall outlet. It gives you true, untethered freedom. So, to wrap this all up into a final verdict, the Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 Copilot Plus PC is, in my honest opinion, one of the most complete, well-rounded, no-compromise laptops available on the market today. It brings the heavy-duty performance you need for work, it brings the ultra portability you need for travel, and it brings a mesmerizing 3K AMOLED screen that you just cannot take your eyes off of. It truly is the ultimate all-in-one machine. Once again, if you are ready to upgrade your setup and want to pick one of these up today, make sure to click that Amazon affiliate link down in the description below to secure the best price. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dive tech reviews, and I will see you all in the next video.